December wind was warmer than it should have been, sighing through the fields of western Kentucky again. Down in Graves County, the day was fading slow, while the radars on the TV screen began to start to glow. The air grew thick and heavy, the pressure started to drop. A Friday night in winter when the world was gonna stop. Oh, the sirens started crying out in Mayfield town when the black sky opened up and brought the thunder down. A mile-wide wedge of anger cutting through the dark, leaving nothing but the memories and a broken county mark. It came across the state line, 200 miles or more, ripping through the courthouse, tearing down the door. The old brick walls of downtown, standing since the war. In just a matter of minutes, they weren't standing anymore. The candle factory hummed along a late shift holiday rush until the roar of a freight train turned the midnight into hush. Oh, the sirens started crying out in Mayfield town when the black sky opened up and brought the thunder down. A mile-wide wedge of anger cutting through the dark, leaving nothing but the memories and a broken county mark. They say an F4 is just a number on a page, until you see a lifetime swallowed by its rage. But the dawn had brought a quiet, and the neighbors crawled on out. With flashlights in the splinters, they began to look about, holding on to one another in the cold and muddy rain, finding hope inside the wreckage of a generational pain. The courthouse tower's missing, the old clock has gone away, but the spirit of the people isn't something you can break. They're clearing out the highways, they're rebuilding line by line, saying Mayfield's gonna rise again in its own good time. The December wind is quiet now, the storm has passed on by, but we won't forget the ones we lost beneath that midnight sky. No, we won't forget the ones we lost beneath that midnight sky.